Struggling with missing emails in your Gmail inbox? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a quick way to fix it so you never miss an important message again. Start by opening your Gmail account, look to the top right corner, and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This gives you access to Gmail's main configurations. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you find inbox type. Here, make sure it's set to default. This keeps your emails organized in the simplest way and prevents them from getting lost in other categories. Next, click Customize just below the default option. You'll see tabs like Social, Promotions, Updates, and more. To make sure your important emails appear immediately, uncheck all boxes except Primary. This ensures general messages go straight to your main inbox without being hidden in secondary tabs. Don't forget to hit Save to apply your changes. If you've done this and some emails are still missing, click More on the left-hand side of Gmail, then select All Mail. This shows every email you've received, regardless of category, so you can easily spot anything that didn't make it to your main inbox. And that's it. A few simple steps can fix your Gmail inbox and make sure your messages always show up where you need them. Give it a try and say goodbye to missing emails for good.